Are you a business owner? Does your business need cash for any reason? If so, we may be able to help you get the cash you need in 5 to 7 business days, up to $1 million. Mom and Pop Merchant Solutions has helped thousands of businesses just like yours get the money they need, even if they were turned down by banks. Mom and Pop Merchant Solutions was established to satisfy the lack of available financing in the small to medium-sized business marketplace. We provide businesses with unsecured business loan alternatives called merchant cash advances. Funding usually takes place in about 5 business days, and we specialize in customized programs providing business owners with unsecured business loan alternatives on the terms that make the most sense for their business. We provide funding through factoring future credit card sales and business income. We are purchasing future receivables at a discount. Now, there is no fixed payback time or schedule of repayment and no fixed interest rate. Instead, an agreed-upon holdback percentage is deducted from the merchant's daily credit card batches or ACH'd from their bank account until the purchased amount is collected. Therefore, the merchant is only paying a part of its Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and/or banking revenue. We require no collateral, and funding is available much quicker than traditional bank loans and requires just a fraction of the paperwork. Payment couldn't be any easier. Automatic small daily deductions from your future Visa and MasterCard sales or merchant's bank account are taken out, and so you get the working capital that you need to grow and expand now, and you still have the cash flow for current needs. We require a minimum average of 8 to 10 batches or income-related days per month, and a minimum processing average of $2,500 per month of gross sales. Your business must accept credit cards for at least 3 months for an merchant cash advance, or to be in business for 6 months and provide 6 months of bank statements for an ACH withdrawal. You must not have any open bankruptcies or large unresolved judgments or tax liens, although we may still fund these with a starter program. During the underwriting process, we are required to fulfill certain obligations in order to approve each applicant. These procedures include, but are not limited to, a merchant interview, landlord interview, reference checks, personal and business credit checks, site inspections, and UCC filing checks and confirmations. Our solutions are ideal for small to medium-sized businesses who need cash in order to meet payroll, expand inventory, improve facilities, advertise, pay taxes, open a new location, or pay operating expenses. This is one of the fastest, easiest ways for a company like yours to get risk-free capital. It is better than a traditional loan in many ways, especially because it requires no collateral. This is better than a lifelong partnership because there are no restrictions on the use of your proceeds. We need an application, a one-page application for funding completed and signed by you, 3 months of business card statements, merchant statements, and 3 months of bank statements unless you don't accept credit cards, and then we would need 6 months of bank statements. Plus we would need a photo ID and a voided business check. We fund business owners that accept credit cards and/or cash and checks for service or sales of merchandise. Mom and Pop Merchant Solutions regularly adds new businesses and new business types to our portfolio. While we will consider most business types, we try to target most of the following types of businesses. And these would be restaurants, salons and spas, auto repair shops, liquor stores, grocery stores, retail clothing shops, florists, dentists, and hotels and motels. These are not the only ones, but these are the ones who most often apply for merchant cash advances with us. This is a percentage chart showing which industries we have funded so far. Yours may be on there, but then again, you may still qualify for funding by Mom and Pop. Some states have had more loans, merchant cash advances sent to them. Loans in California, merchant cash advances in the other states. There is no collateral, no fixed payments unless requested, no coupons or checks to write, no impact on a business owner's ability to qualify for other financing. There's absolutely no business use restrictions on the funding we provide, and there are no hassles. There's a very quick application and fast funding, usually in 5 to 7 business days. We basically are providing credit card receivable factoring, starter programs, and cash and check receivable factoring. There's no fixed payback schedule. The application process is quick. We put the cash right into your business account in days. It's wired into your bank account. It's a completely automatic payback. There are no hidden fees, no collateral, no late fees. Your credit score does not make or break our offer. It is a cash flow friendly process, and there is no application fee either. For merchants that don't fit the underwriting requirements for our traditional credit card or ACH factoring, our starter program allows them to still qualify for funds for a lower dollar amount by paying this back in a shorter time frame. The merchant is able to renew and build confidence towards a larger sized funding advance in the future. The underwriting criteria for a starter program is much more lenient and is designed for those who have very poor credit histories. Merchants can build rapport with our company, Mom and Pop Merchant Solutions, through your performance. So in closing, Mom and Pop Merchant Solutions has numerous business loan alternative products for small to medium-sized business owners to utilize. Our business loan alternatives are similar to a business loan in the sense that we extend a certain amount of working capital to business owners to utilize at their discretion. The merchant only pays for the money advanced 5 days a week and repays us via a daily withdrawal from their credit card machine or from their bank account via an ACH withdrawal. And as mentioned before, these business loan alternatives are typically funded to the merchant within 5 to 7 business days. These are some of our underwriting guidelines, which are basic requirements for a small business loan, or bank-only ACH advances, credit card split deals, and the documentation that we need. A company needs to be in business for a minimum of 6 months and have at least $15,000 in bank deposits, and our smallest loan is $5,000, and that must be no more than seven negative days. If you do not accept credit cards or accept them in a minimal amount, then we would need to have 6 months of bank statements. Some conditional considerations are tax liens and judgments, existing cash advance balances, your tenancy, any open bankruptcies, and what % of ownership.